What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at a product from Meso Customs for the 3rd gen Tacoma. Right here we have the Ultimate Dome Light, and it comes in 2 different options, one being white and red, so you can switch the color back and forth, and the other one being a dual brightness, so that you can have a low or high setting on your brightness. This is a really easy install, so let's go ahead and show you how to do it on the 3rd gen Tacoma. So we're in the Tacoma, and you can see the factory dome light in here. Has a yellow hue to it. It's not that bright, so that's why we're going to be switching this out for a Meso Custom one. And then if you have the dual color, you can switch it to red. Gives the interior a nice different vibe, especially at night, say you're camping and you don't want to be blinding yourself. That red is definitely nice, and all you need is a flathead screwdriver or a trim prying tool to get this cover off. It's really simple, so let's go ahead and do that. So right here on the cover, there's a little spot where you can put a screwdriver and just go ahead and pop that out. Also, make sure to turn off the light bulb because it does get hot and you don't want to be grabbing this when it's hot. So this tab right here, we're going to press that. That's going to release this bulb. Just go ahead and catch it. Let's go ahead and open up the Meso Customs light. This is the dual color one. Looking on the back side of the light, it has what looks to be a bulb. That's going to go in just like your bulb did, and then this is going to snap in place just like the cover was that you took out. So you can see how easy we got that installed. Now we have a much brighter white light in here, and then with the button in the center, we can switch back and forth from red and white. Super nice, super easy install, and it definitely makes a big difference here on the interior of your Tacoma. I'm gonna go ahead and install the dual brightness one now. If you guys wanna pick up one of these from Meso Customs, you can grab it from yodaexpedition.com. Link is down in the description. We have a bunch of different things from Meso for your Tacoma or 4Runner. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.